Gentlemen, welcome to Berlin. The local time is just going at 3 p.m. Unfortunately, we did arrive with 4 hours delay, and we do apologize for this delay, and we hope that it didn't cause too much inconvenience, and if it did, once again, we do apologize.
So delayed beyond belief, but we're in Berlin now. We're gonna stay here a couple of days, take care of some family things, and yep, in a couple of days we're gonna be back here to fly to Frankfurt, to then take a bus or train to where the bikes are being delivered and start our way back. So let's jump forward a couple of days. So my friends, here we are in the beautiful Germany. The weather, as you can see, is astonishingly good. A couple of weeks have passed since we left Georgia, almost 4 weeks to be precise. It took me 2 weeks to get my system back in order and for me to start feeling good and not have any more symptoms of illnesses. Charlotte got better a little bit faster than me, but still took her around a week. So we were really struggling with the food and what that was doing to us, and well, it is what it is. Now we're back in Germany. We are here in this warehouse where we're gonna unpack the bikes. We are gonna assemble them together because we needed to take some things apart in order for them to fit the boxes, and from there we're gonna drive back to Portugal. But that does not mean that we're not gonna enjoy it. So from here we're gonna go to Switzerland because the weather, as you can see, again, beautiful. And then from Switzerland, we'll see. Might swing by Picos de Europa in Spain, might go directly to Portugal and enjoy a little bit of Portugal within the next couple of months. And, well, search for some wine. Let's see. First, bikes. So we arrived in Switzerland, bit noisy with the water, but that's what makes it pretty amongst other things. And we're gonna be walking around a little bit. You saw a bit the roads, and now we're gonna walk a little bit, see a bit of the beauty, and eventually be on our way, right? But for now,
water makes like the shape of the rock. Can you see? Sometimes it's higher until where it's like a different color, right?
Wanna say hello?
Hello.
Super cool. Take me wrong. But this, super cool. And not that far away. Hoist it up. What are you doing, Charlotte?
I'm bringing water back.
Is it terrible water?
It's terrible.
With a lot of
Smelly smells.
smelly smells and good components for your health? You gonna try it?
It's warm. It's warm.
Is it warm?
Yes.
Woo! Looks like someone peed in it.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, of course I do. No? Is it not drinkable?
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. That's cool. Yeah, I told ya. That's the cool part.
So here we are, back home after our hike, and that's what we're gonna be doing for the next couple of days. We're gonna be hiking around this beautiful scenario. It was really cool to bring the bikes here, drive a little bit, get that feeling of being on the road again. But with this magnificent view, with this magnificent weather, we're gonna stay here for a couple of days while we also prepare our trip back to Portugal. But for now, cannot ask for much. We're back on our feet, we're back on the bike, we're excited, the weather is fantastic. So the only thing I can ask is, if you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing, hitting that big thumbs up and that subscription bell so you can get the notifications when a new video is out. I'll see you guys next week.